Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all let's go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose ellipse tool, and go to here, hold shift and make one ellipse. And Clisation tool, go to fill and choose none for turn off inside color, click OK. And stroke width change 5. Also go to stroke color, change to green. So in this time select this shape layer, change name radio wave, and go to align. If you not see this part, go to window and enable align, and click this icon and this icon for move to center shape layer. Then go to FX preset and search here radio and select radio waves used for shape layer. Okay, and let's preview animation. Okay, nice, but this is radius for full screen. Let's fix it. Go to lifespan and change this like this. And change this 3. Let's see. Okay, and let's go to color, color to green. And preview animation again. Let's go to expansion and change this 3. Okay, not bad. We can change this 4. Let's keep this line here for see difference and select radio wave, Ctrl D for duplicate, and change the name last circle. And select this last circle, go to radio waves and delete. And select last circle shape layer and click search bar and search here size. And change size like this. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So in this time select last circle layer. Let's click enter for rename and right here stroke. And let's Ctrl D for duplicate and change name fill. And select last circle fill. Go to stroke width change 0. And go to fill, choose color green. Okay, so in this time let's create new solid layer. Click OK and change color black. Click OK and press T, change opacity. So in this time let's go to pen tool and select this solid layer. And this is my anchor point center. Let's add one mask point here and one here and one here and here. So let's change points like this. Okay, let's Clisation tool. For put this radar into the last circle, select this solid layer and go to matte. Let's drag matte to last circle fill. Okay, and in this time select this solid layer, go to FX preset, search effect fill. Select fill, use for solid layer, and change color green. And select the solid layer and press R. We can create rotate animation. Go to first second and create rotation. And go to 10 seconds. Change this 1. Let's see. Nice. And select this solid layer, press T and change opacity. Like this. Okay, very nice. And right now let's go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose ellipse tool, and let's make one circle, Clisation tool, and click this and this icon for move to center. And go to first second, press S, open scale and change scale 50, and create new scale keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press page down keyboard. Change 100, go to 10 keyframes, select first keyframe, copy paste, and make it easy, or click F9. And for loop animation, hold Alt, click time icon, go to play button, property and loop out duration. For loop and endless animation, let's see. Nice, very good. So in this time let's add lines, go to pen tool, and let's enable title action save. And let's hold shift, make one line like this, and go to fill, turn off inside color, and stroke width 5. Click selection tool, and select shape layer, change name, line. And let's move it down for center, and change stroke width 3. Okay, and select this line. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate and press R. Chain rotation 90. Okay, and select line 2, Ctrl D and press R. Chain rotation 45. Again, select line 3, Ctrl D and press R. Change minus 45. Okay, nice. Let's select this shape layer and change name point of signal. And Ctrl D, moved up, and change point red 1. And let's move to here and change color red. Let's see. And let's press S. Go to middle, change scale 80, and go to first second, change 20, and let's keyframe 20. Let's see. Okay, let's change middle keyframe also 50. Nice, and select these 3 keyframes. For random keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Okay, so in this time, select point red 1, Ctrl D, and move to here. Again, Ctrl D, move to here. And select these 3 points, Ctrl D, move to left, and change like this. And Ctrl D again. Right now, let's select these, all of them shape layers. Right mouse and pre-compose, add name signal. Click OK. And go to FS presses, search effect glow, select glow, use for compensation. And change settings like this. Okay, that's good. Also select glow, Ctrl D for more glow effect, and change settings like this. Nice. So in this time, I want to show you very important thing. I want to add these red lines inside the radar screen. Let's open inside signal and select these points. Let's go to matte and track matte to solid layer radar. And select this radar. Let's enable layer. And right now we can see these points only with this solid layer. Let's see. Nice, this is more realistic. And right now we can see here these points. So let's back to main compensation. Let's see here. Okay, that's good. And in this time, let's create a new solid layer for background. Add the name background, click OK, and move to behind of compensation. Go to FS presses, search effect gradient ramp. Select gradient ramp. Let's use for background. And go to start color dark blue. And end color also blue like this. Click OK. And change ramp shape radial ramp. And click swap colors. And select this point. And move it down. Let's open start color. Change a little bit to like this. Okay, and let's turn off title action save. Go to FS presses, search effect grid, and select this background. Ctrl D for duplicate, change name grid, and delete gradient ramp. And use this grid for grid solid layer. And choose size form with slider. Change slider like this, and opacity. And color, choose blue. Okay, that's good. I like it. So select this compensation. Let's change a little bit to scale like this. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.